Welcome. This is a concept video on prime factor. So what exactly is a prime factor? To understand prime factor, we need to first split this into prime and also factor. Now, check this out. Whenever a number is said to be a prime number, that number is only divisible by 1 and itself. Examples of such numbers: 3. Also, 2. These are examples of prime numbers. How do I know? Here is an example. 2 over 2, 2 divided by 2 would get 1. And so this confirms it first that it can only divide 2. 2 can divide 2, it divide itself. And also, let's try this out. 2 over 1 equals 2. You have another whole number. So these two conditions makes 2 a prime number. I repeat, prime numbers are numbers that are only divisible by 1 and themselves. So you could divide 2. So 1 can go into 2, and also 2 can go into 2. Apart from this, you won't get another number that can divide 2. Another example of prime number is 3. Let's take a look. And so we have 3 divided by 3 would get 1, and also 3 divided by 1 you get 3. So these two conditions here also make the number 3 a prime number. Next, what is actually a factor? A factor is a number that can divide another number and would get a whole number at the end of it. Here's an example. If I have 6 and I said 6 divided by 3. Note, since 3 can go into 6, so 3 goes into 6 would get 2, right? Now 3 being able to go into 6 to give us 2 makes 3 a factor. So 3 is a factor of 6. Is a factor of 6. And do not forget that 3 is also a prime number. So in this case, 3 becomes what? A prime factor. 3 is a prime factor. Let's try another example for the sake of practice. If you have, let's say 30, the number 30, and let's say 5 goes into 30. First thing you need to know is that 5, the only numbers that can divide or go into 5 in order to get another whole number are two numbers, 5 and also 1. Take a look at this. 5 into, I'll finish this first. 5 into 30, you'd get 6, right? You get 6. So 5 is a factor. So 5 is a factor since it's a factor of 30. But it's also a prime number. And how is it possible? 5 divided by 5, you'd get 1. And also 5 divided by 1, you get 5. You get just 5. So if you note here now, this also makes 5 a prime number. So 5 is a prime factor. Would you like to take a test on prime factors? Click on the link in the description box. You win. Just believe.